Learn auto locksmithing and start a profitable career today. Are you looking for a high-demand skill that can help you start your own business or boost your career? Our Auto Locksmith for Beginners course is designed to teach you the essential skills needed to program and duplicate car keys. No prior experience required. Why choose this course? Comprehensive training. Learn step-by-step how to program and duplicate car keys using the latest tools and techniques. Hands-on learning. Get practical knowledge that you can apply immediately in real-world scenarios. Expert guidance. Learn from professionals with years of experience in the auto locksmith industry. Business insights. Gain valuable tips on how to start and grow your own locksmith business. Who is this course for? Small blue diamond beginners looking to enter the auto locksmith industry. Small blue diamond existing locksmiths who want to expand their skills. Small blue diamond entrepreneurs seeking a profitable business opportunity. With the right knowledge and tools, you can start offering locksmith services and build a successful career in this ever-growing industry. Enroll now and take the first step toward becoming a professional auto locksmith. Course link is in the description. Check it out now.